Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Long Timele, and welcome to this YouTube channel. Another day, another dollar, another week, another market breakdown with Long Timele. So, without wasting any further time, guys, let's get into it. Go to the time frame, top and down analysis. Remember, guys, the reason why we didn't go to a lower time frame to else a lower time frame to 15 minutes because now we cannot enter trades on DXY. DXY is basically for direction and stuff, you see. So now, but using top and down analysis, we know that we first start at higher time frames to lower time frames, and the lower time frames between ranging from 1 minute to 15 minutes, they are for market execution, which is basically for entering trades, but not for analysis because now those candlesticks they are so those candlesticks, those time frames they are so volatile that you cannot like if you want a proper setup. Again, if you're still a scalper and want a or a swing trader, if you want a proper setup, you have to start from the higher time frame and into 1 hour time frame. And now for market execution and positioning of entries or the you go to 15 minutes time frame because they are good when it comes to those things. Alright? But you cannot use we only use higher time frames to determine to get the clear view of what the price is giving us. Because no, smaller time frames sometimes they create confusion because they are so volatile. They have a lot of candlestick patterns and chart patterns, so you end up confusing yourself. So to avoid those things, you see, let's go now. Starting from daily time frame, mhm, mm, starting from daily time frame now. First thing first, man, what do we cater for? I've been preaching this and I will be I'll always be preaching it. We cater for areas of significance after getting the trend. Overall trend we are in now, we are nowhere within a bullish trend. We saw the trend after getting the trend, we cater for areas of significance. Therefore, these are areas of significance. These are areas of significance where the price usually something bends to the price. Then this one you can say. Now, Manogokai, first things first, we have for you to know where you're going, you have to know where you're coming. Now, sometimes you have to make use of the history to determine your future, which is not always the case. But now at this moment, I'm saying this is the case. I don't want to do this because I've been doing this on my past trades. But let me show you what the price is being giving us. Sometimes you have to follow the trend of the price. Look, Monogohai, I don't know if you see it, but for almost couple of times, gold has been giving us this chart patterns: bullish flag, consolidation, bullish flag, consolidation, bullish flag, consolidation, bullish flag, continuation now, bullish flag. You see, now we have to get used to the trend. Now, let's start from here. You saw that price here gave us that bullish flag. Price give us that bullish flag. Aja, price give us that bullish flag. And for to show that this retracement period is over, to show that this retracement period is over, they gave us it was a confirmation of what? A doji change stick. This doji change stick showed us that the retracement period is over now. Price broke this level. For sure, anticipate the price to retest. But I remember there were a lot of events occurring there. You see, because it was a Friday and it was this one it was the first Friday of the month, but it was not NFT. NFT was somewhere here. But yeah, you see, it was Friday and like you see, man, when the market usually opens, we have a lot of momentum. You see. Now, but no, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah, but now price give us this retracement, which is in the form of bullish flag. Price broke this resistance structure, and after that, gold created new heights. What happened? Right, price give us that impulsive movement. then consolidated within a rectangular consolidation, which is just it was just a what you call a range bound type of a movement. Now, let's go to a lower time frame to see what the price is giving us. After that range bound trend, which is the type of a consolidation, with range bound, you see, price was ranging here with what you call fake outs. Then on go higher. Best whenever you trade range bonds, you gotta remember that you can for sure we enter if you have uh, sure with your entries and everything and your setup is good, you can use that entry whereby that principle whereby, but you can still use it if the price is here and you overall we're within a bullish trend. Therefore, the price is here at our support level. Therefore, you enter your buy position, you exit at your you exit at your what? At your resistance structure. Therefore, now these are not supporting resistance structure as much as they are supporting resistance structure. But now at this instance, we re- uh, refer to them as the supply and demand zones. Why do we now change them from being resistance and support structure to supply and demand? This is because now at this moment we have a lot of strong movements, not strong movement, yeah, strong movements. Look at here, at our touches now. When we have strong movements or volatile movements there, yeah, strong movements. Let me show you the type of strong movement I'm telling you. First candlestick, second candlestick, third candlestick, power. It's a strong movement. You see, look here. First candlestick, second candlestick, power. Strong movements. We didn't have those gradual building type of candlesticks. Let me show you an example of those gradual building type of candlesticks. You see, yeah, Kanya, 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 before it shoots to the star, to the sky. You see, but now you see, man, those are our this support structure we can call it now. It had strong movement. First thing is taking boom. You see those kind of movement. Therefore, it was the supply and demand zones now. The price broke our supply and demand zone, which is basically our support and resistance structure. Then after that, price went up. This price was undecided, and usually this occurs when the price is about when the market opens or the market closes. Then price went there, came back to test this level. You see, price always respects. Came back to test this level, went up. Therefore, as soon as you saw this tick, you saw now we got this is a hammer confirmation, the presence of a hammer at the end of a retracement period. What does that mean to you? You see, trend continuation. Therefore, you exit here, you enter here, exit here, and place your buy stop here, enter here. Easy. That's the technique. That's the technique. Doji candlestick in the middle of an impulsive movement confirm either straight or signifies a trend continuation. Doji, which is now a long-legged doji, price went. You see those type of movement. Now, what do you anticipate at this moment? What are we anticipating now? Because now we are not sure of what the price might give us, but we know overall we are buying. There was an impulsive movement. Therefore, what we're anticipating is that after this impulsive movement, upon now the price is going up with an POS structure, which is break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. You see, price is going up with that. Gold is creating new heights now. So overall, because now again, if you can make use of DXY, we can say now price is going up. Therefore, we're anticipating now. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Sorry, I was now fast. No, sorry. Million, the price has just retested. Now we're anticipating what an impulsive movement. Now, because now you have no idea of where to place everything, we are going to make use of psychology levels. Because now the price respects those whole numbers and rounded decimals. We are going to make use of them to be our take profits. Therefore, you see here it's to make an example, let's say 24. This kind of numbers. pivot levels. These are the kind of levels where the price usually respects. You see, these are the kind of levels that price usually respects, which is a whole numbers which do not have those uh, confusing, not confusing, but unordered numbers. You see, here is 293, 2930. You can see it, man. You can make use of it. Okay, you see, like here 29230. You see, this is what happened. You see, now the overall we're saying that we are buying gold. We are buying gold for sure. That's what we're anticipating from DXY and gold. It's meaning over it meaning the god of markets, Monari, which is the god of markets. And until we meet again, ciao. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your week. I hope you have a productive week. Make the market. Make most out of the market. Learn. Every day we learn. After you learn, you teach people. Each one teach one. You see.